Introducing the brush boat.
Where'd that curtain come from?
You built that thing in like 1 hour. Where's the vending machine?
Everybody shut up and get in!
Why do you have to let Penny sail?
What are you talking about? I'm so good in my direction.
We are literally in the Bermuda Triangle right now. At least we won't be crashing into anyone. Sand, look out! Wait, what? As if today couldn't get any worse.
Don't worry, people. I have a plan. There it is. I'll negotiate.
Wait, did she just let her? Just let her.
Hi, Hal.
What? Guys, just quiet down, please.
I said shut up!
Come on, there's got to be something down here. Meanwhile,
I can live here forever.
I'm a crazy weirdo and I'm cold.
Oh, hello. Alright, I'll be right there.
she says she'll be over here in a bit. Oh, come on! What?
3 cheers for having a horrible day! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Oh no! Hey guys, welcome back. This one's from Connor, age 12. He says, try putting peanut butter on a Pop-Tart. It's so good. Well, Connor, let's put that theory to the test.
Where am I? Whoa, a new outro? That's so cool! You're being too loud! Shut up!